What's up, guys? It's Ryan and you're watching Ryan Vision. I'm here with the giveaway Jeep, the 98 5.9 ZJ. You can still enter to win this bad boy. And we are over here in, I believe it's Rancho Cordova, California at Prairie City Off-Road Park. And for those of you that have watched the Project ZJ videos, you'll recognize this park because this is where a lot of the Project ZJ footage out here with Mitch and Nate, that was all at this park. And they've still got some of the same obstacles, but they have some new ones and they changed some of them around. So this will be cool. I brought this new camera and got the drone here. So let's go mess around, see what this bad boy can do and get some footage. If you're familiar with the terrain out here, I just did Big Bend multiple times. I did the Alamo the very first time trying. This thing's just an animal, and with the front and rear lockers engaged, it just goes right where you want it to go. The tires are gripping real nice. Like I said, even just 15 PSI, it's an all-terrain tire. I'm used to a mud terrain. They're gripping really nice. The Nittos are performing well. So guys, I wanted to tell you, my promise to you, unlike a lot of the giveaways you see online, I am not going to do any of the unfair multipliers or discounts toward the end or at any time during the giveaway. So basically the best thing to do is just get your entries locked in now. They're 50 bucks a pop. You can buy one or you can buy as many as you want. But the best thing is just get locked in now so you don't miss out, you don't forget about it. I'm not gonna do anything weird at the end where you go, man, I wish I would have waited. He lowered the price or he did some multiplier. It's not gonna happen. One entry is one entry the whole way through, and each entry is gonna be 50 bucks the whole way through. So like I say, get locked in, don't forget about it, don't miss out, because you could own this thing for just 50 bucks.